Hello again, my fellow modelers. Well, I've got all the doors cut out. I've got the trunk cut out. And, of course, the hood was already cut out. So, not too bad. Got this. Pretty happy with how this turned out. I haven't actually done doors in quite a long time, so it was a little challenging, but not bad. Kind of see the interior. I've got actually took a bunch of the little tin cans and ran some. I think that was that on Mark's channel on how to do that? Anyway, I tried to kind of make it look like rivets. Yeah, it came out all right. Not great, but you know, it's not bad. It is what it is. So pretty happy with how the doors turned out. I got the base pretty much started. Still doing a bunch of work out in the back of the trunk area. It's nowhere near ready yet. Of course, there's just tons of little things to do on a build like this. So, yeah, so that's just the update. So, and remember, kids, be careful with your X-Acto knives. Okay, well, this will be the last video on this series until the final. So, which I believe we have like 12 days, something like that. Oh, man. Okay. Well, I gotta go. I gotta get busy. All right. Thanks for everybody, and thanks for the comments and subscriptions. And this is Jerry.